welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel and also come follow me on my Instagram account. And if you're returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continuous support. In today's video, I would like to share what I got from 21B collection, which is the Fall Winter Act 1. So let's get started. Let me show you the camellia flower first, because they changed it. It's not soft, it's hard, and it's made of cardboard. It's okay, I still like it. And here's the receipt. So let me open it. Super excited to show you the color. You're ready. Okay. So here it is. This is my Business Affinity Drawstring Bucket bag. So let me just put this away. Let me check if there's a booklet. Okay. Here's the booklet and the dust bag. And let me just unwrap everything. Okay, so this is in light gray color. I really love the color. It's neutral. You can wear this all year round. So this is in caviar leather and has this sheen to it, like it's a shiny caviar, and it's in light gold hardware there. So you can see here in the hardware there's a Chanel logo engraved there. There's a big CC logo in the middle. So the chain strap looks like this with leather shoulder pad. The chain is similar to Coco handle, but it's not detachable. See, it is strapped here like it's a D-ring. So I like this leather strap to protect my shoulder. And there's a small pocket with 2 zippers and with quilted design. And this is how it looks inside. Yeah, fabric lining. And the string looks like this. So there's a Chanel logo there. I really love this detailed design here. Beautiful quilted design with CC logo on the bottom there. So at the back, it has a back pocket with quilted design. Let's check inside. So inside is a fabric interior. There's a small pocket here and the metal plate engraved with CC logo and 8-digit code. You can't really see it because it's so small. And this bag is made in Italy. There. So the side look like this. It's flat, and the bottom, it's not rounded like the regular bucket bag, which I like. So when I wear it crossbody, it will not look bulky. It will stay flat on my body. Yeah. So let me do a quick comparison, color comparison with my other Chanel bag, which is also gray. Just put this on the side. So here's my City Walk flap bag from 20p collection, which is the spring and summer pre-collection. This is also in light gray. They're both light gray, but as you can see, this is like darker. So you will have an idea of the color shade, how it looks. Yeah, there. Love it. Love my color gray. So it's my first bucket bag from Chanel. It was love at first sight when I saw this. Like, oh my gosh, I really like the color. I'm gonna get this. Since this is caviar, I will not be afraid to use this in everyday bag. It can also be transitioned from day to night. And I can say that the size is small, but it can fit all my essentials. So let me show you what I can fit inside. I have different sizes of wallet, so you'll have an idea. So here's my medium-sized wallet. There, can fit. And of course my phone. This is XS, iPhone XS. So it's like this. And my key card. So let us see if we can fit a mini pochette. Yeah, they all fit perfectly. And let me close it. So yeah, it looks like that. There, it's secured. And of course, if you want like a compact wallet like this is my Dior, my favorite wallet. I use this all the time. So you can have like extra space. Yes, perfect. So I'm so happy to add this to my collection. I wish they put a top handle on this bucket bag, because I love bags with top handle. It's so easy to use and so versatile. You just, just grab it here and go, not grabbing it on the chain. And you can also wear it like this, but that's okay. I will just improvise. Since I love to accessorize my handbag, I will put this pearl strap here in the D-ring. Yeah, there you go. It looks like this, instant top handle. And it looks more elegant with the pearl. So what can you say? Do you like it with the strap or without the strap? I would like to know your thoughts, so comment down below. What do you think about this bucket bag? So I hope you enjoy my unboxing for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you again next time. Bye! Stay tuned for my mod shots.